Good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you are. This is how to set up a basic caulk gun. First thing you want to do is get this plunger all the way to the back. As you can see, it's kind of been moved forward. So there's going to be some kind of flange or metal tab like this one. This one's large, yours might be smaller. You're going to depress it with one hand and pull this back with the other. That's a locking tab. So from there, you're not ready to load your caulk just yet. You need to cut open the tube, preferably towards the end if you're going for something small, like a smaller application, maybe lining some trim or something. And then further towards the back if you're trying to just glob on some stuff. It's going to make a difference. So don't just start down here. You'll probably regret it. And once you've got that cut with, say, your pocket knife, you want to take a nail or something similar and put inside the tube and puncture the film that you really can't see, but it's inside there. And when that's done, then you're ready to insert your caulk into your tube. Go to the back, slide on. Now you want to go ahead and squeeze the handle until it takes out the slack. And now as you continue, it will work and you'll be able to do whatever you're trying to do. I hope that's helpful and quick and simple enough for you. And as always, I like to close with a dad joke. So yeah, let's do that. Why was the mushroom invited to all the parties? I'm sure you don't know. Well, it's simple. It's because he was a fun guy.